Let's go, Blippi! Hand washing time! First, wet Blippi's hands. Awesome! Now wash. Nice! Rinse off the soap. Good job! Time to dry off. Dry, clean, and shiny. Finally, let's help Blippi brush his teeth. Sweet! Now he has to rinse his mouth. All right, fresh and clean. Fantastic! Now it's Meekah's turn.